Anyway, sa inyong lahat, dili na ako may kaso ng message na lang pero kamatis. Masama doon ako sa atong labong mga tao, sa atong local mayor na master, sa atong mga mismo na sa atong governor ni Pedro Dinri, sa mga bisita na natin karon sa atong mayor na bisan pa man. Hotel, ako dapat bisita na kay sa mga kandidatang guwapa. Ang mahayapan. Presenting the Binibining Bahay 2024 on their production number. Every light, in every hole, there's the darkness. But this agency gives light to every hole. By the way, this is Trixie Salomon, proud to represent Jempo. On the back, 21, representing the firefighter, Bureau of Fire and Protection. Believing Matthew 19:26, for you're not alone. With the man, it is impossible, but with God, it is possible. I'm standing here tonight, believing myself that I can walk and win this competition. Maayong gabi sa atong tanan, Barangay Mahayay!
Right, minute.
This is your queen, Blasey Avila, 24 years of age, from Barangay Matinde, representing the competitive agency that gives hope and life to the people of San Jose. Hala, itawasan mo dinaa, hala na na po'y awas. I know na po sila nagpaawas. So, nga naman na sila. Tubig, tubig, representing San Jose Water District.
This is Lee Clayo, 23, the agency that tells our health, representing Health Department!
Next candidate, number 6.
Aptik ba siyang make-up?
Transgender women with a physical attribute of Adam and emotions of Eve, we are being caged, hindrance from
Right
freedom.
foot.
Discrimination is not new to us. Good evening, Barangay Mahayay!
Good evening.
Or should I say, maupay na gabi kaninyong tanan. Maupay pangit, maupay pilian. Maupay way kwarta, maupay sosyalan. Maupay way ambag, maupay una, mahubog. Standing in front of you is a 21-year-old singer. My name is Hugh Molina, representing the heroes of today. Kagawaran ng edukasyon!
Maayong gabi, mahayay! Wala bang hiyawan dyan? Wala bang palakpakan dyan? My name is Jessa Locano, representing Dolly!
Eh, mga kulban.
Candidate,
Ayot ay. Ayot na. Pero di sa Carlalo nga ayot. Oy, mura siya aura ba? Mura siya aura.
Otro.
Perfect. Strutting my way to the crowd. Beauty is just out about their face. Dressed to impress and ready to conquer. Good evening, Mahayay! A girl standing in front of you is a fresh 19 years of age singer. This is Kaiser McCullough, the one and only Chelsea Manalo. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Roxanne Rodriguez, coming from Corona Rose, Mahayay. Standing in front of you is 23 years of age, representing the Technical Education and Skill Development Authority. It is the government agency tasked and managed and supervised the technological education and skill development here in the Philippines. It was created by the year of 1994 under the Public Act of 1977-46. Standing in front of you, representing the TSDA, YESDA!
Bakla, gadi, charing-charing, ano man po ang nais na itawag niyo sa amin, mula dito hanggang dulo, amin ang itabladong ito. Dahil hindi niyo makatatangasan ang katotohanan na abaklang nilalait niyo sa pangkumagahan ay ngayong gabi ay inyong pinapalakpakan. Beses Maxine Delgado Soprano from Department of Public Works in High